Welcome to Quick Bish Reviews, where we get straight to the point, no fluff, just facts, a little sass. Let's go. Small but mighty, the Cassie gear tote is for all the random stuff you don't want rolling around. Kid snacks, random toy they suddenly couldn't live without, done. Waterproof bottom means no soggy surprises, and it's structured enough to actually stay put. This one's a must for boaters, moms, beachers, and anyone tired of the where'd I put that struggle. Meet the ultimate mom-approved beach bag, the Cassie Beach Tote. Waterproof bottom, marine-grade mesh, and a built-in cup holder for your Stanley. Spacious but not obnoxiously big. Plus an easy-access foam pocket so I'm not digging through the chaos. If you're hitting the lake, the beach, or just surviving summer, husbands, bring this home with the boat she told you not to buy. Nothing ruins a summer day like dragging around a soggy, heavy towel. Enter the Tutu Microfiber Swim Towel Set. Dries fast, rolls up tiny, and comes with a zip-up case so you're not stuffing a soaking mess into your bag. Bonus, loops for easy hanging on the boat, light enough for a kid to carry, which is great because it's not going in my bag. Pre-use rating 10 out of 10. Let's see how it holds up after some wear and tear. Side note, the tighter you roll these up, the easier they fit in the bag. That's it for this Quick Bish review. If you liked it, hit subscribe because life's too short for bad buys. All the good stuff, links, socials, and more in the caption. Catch you on the next one.